my channel! So, for today, gagawa ko ng another makeup video using DAISO product. Ito. Kanina bumunta ako sa DAISO just to get this. Here's the product. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, for concealer, wala akong nakuhang foundation kasi wala naman silang liquid foundation din eh. So, concealer na lang ginamit ko. Ito, dalawa lang shades nila. The darker and the lighter. So, I get the lighter one. Ito siya. Ayan. I cannot focus. Sorry. Ayan, yan siya. Okay, so I'll just use yung normal brush na ginagamit ko for everyday. Ito, sandali. Sponge na lang na hindi ko pa nahuhugasan. Okay, so I'll probably just use this all over my face since wala akong foundation. So, let's cover. Oh, light siya. Okay. My nose and my forehead. And so let's just blend. Tingnan natin kung yung consistency niya good for blemishes. Parang di ko siya kulay. No, cannot cover everything. So we will use twice, dalawang beses kasi hindi siya na-conceal talaga ng maayos. So we will build up. Ayaw niya talagang matakpan. Okay, so for the verdict, for concealer wise, this is good para sa mga walang mga pimple kasi mahirap siyang i-cover. You see, I have pimple mark here na hindi siya talaga ma-cover. So, hindi na rin po pwedeng lagyan pa ng pangatlong beses kasi magkikiki na siya. So, we'll just go ahead with the powder. Ito yung powder na nakuha ko doon. Ayan, pinkish tone siya kasi wala silang mga normal powder or loose powder. Ganyan lang siya. So, I just use my normal brush and apply on my face. As usual, yung powder, ganun din. Very light. Hindi siya ma-cover. As you can see, I still have the pimple mark here. You can see. Next, my eyebrow. Ito ang nakuha ko. Ito na lang. Pang nose contour tsaka highlighter. Pero, I think I can use it para sa eyebrow ko. Itong shades na to. And I'm just gonna use a angled brush. wala, hindi rin siya nagkulay. Masyado siyang light. Nagsisi ako guys, dapat yung ano na lang, yung pencil na lang binili ko. Wala eh. Tsaka masyado siyang orangey pag sa camera. Ayan, yun lang pwede. Okay, yan lang. Okay, next, ito na yung gagamitin ko for bronzer, because I need bronzer to cover this fat cheek. Oopsie. Okay, I'm just gonna use this cheek brush. Natin kung pwede siya. Oh, napadami. Let's see whether we can try to blend. Masyado siyang orange for my skin eh. Sa nose. Next, cheek. Itong nakuha ko, ano siya, powder blush. Yun siya, cute niya. Let's try this. I have a very good feeling about this. Okay. I'll just use my ano na tawag ito? Stippling brush. Swirl it around and apply it on my cheek. Magpaan tayo at drunk blush effect. And since wala akong nakuhang eyeshadow, siya na yung gagawin kong eyeshadow. Just to add up a pop of colors on my eye. Nga pala guys, I will use yung ito ulit to deepen the outer V of my eye. And then wala akong nakuhang eyeliner. So I will skip eyeliner and I'll just proceed to put on this mascara. Nakuha ko siya. I believe, anong kulay to? Kulay black siya. Black. So, yeah. This is the applicator. It's separated from the product. Siya. At ang pangalan niya ay Twin Side Mascara. Okay. But first, let's curl our lashes. Ito. Using my eyelash curl. Wait lang guys, Okay. So, let's put this on. At parang walang product. Ayan. Siya. Okay, let's try on the face. Oh, this one. This is not bad. I don't really use nga pala, fake lashes kasi hindi ako mag-apply. So, I'll just rely on mascara most of the time. Yan siya. We'll just use it on the other side of our eye. This is really good. I really like how it looks on my face. I mean on my lashes. Let's try on the bottom lashes. Ayan siya. Okay, napadami. Ayan siya guys. Look. Oh. This is a real good mascara. I don't know whether this is a waterproof kasi wala namang nakalagay sa instruction eh. But if it's a waterproof, then it's like a bonus to me because I only use a waterproof mascara. I don't really use a non-waterproof one kasi I tend to get oily easily and they smudge very fast. So yeah, this is really good. I recommend you guys to get this if you're on a tight budget. I just want to try something cheaper brand, DAISO. And then next for my lips, oh, I don't like it. Oh, it's just a lip gloss. Kala ko ano siya, parang matte or cream, but I think it's just parang tint lang siya eh. Oh, fail. Never mind. Just try it on my lips. Okay guys, this is the final look. Yan siya. So I only used the concealer and it didn't really cover up my pimple mark. As you can see, I have a pimple spot here na hindi siya na-cover up, and then I have birthmark which it didn't cover up as well, and as you can see the chin also. So if you have a nice skin or you don't have any pimple, then yeah, you can use this kind of concealer. Otherwise, then you get a better coverage one. And for powder, ito okay lang siya, very translucent siyang powder, and it didn't cover up anything on my face, I think. So I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna use it again. And then next, so ano ba tawag doon? Brow, I use this, which I know this is not meant for brows, but I tried it and see whether it can be versatile, but it didn't. Basically, this one is meant for your nose contour or your cheek contour, so dun lang siya pwede. And I didn't really use this. I don't know what is this for. Is this for highlighter or to widen eye or to put on your tear duct? I'm not sure. Anyway, what I like about the product, about DAISO product, is this this cheek blush. That's it. So if you're looking for a nice peachy color cheek blush, then you can try this. It's really cheap. It's only costs about $2 in Singapore. Okay guys, so I shall end my video here. If you like or enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button. Yeah, bye!